Lion is proud to introduce Quickfire, our latest innovation in fire extinguisher training. This cutting-edge virtual system uses extended reality, allowing you to train employees and students anywhere, whether you're in the office, a factory, or somewhere in the field. Quickfire brings students and teachers together in group training, enhancing teamwork while learning critical fire safety skills. With immersive scenarios that simulate real-life fire emergencies, Quickfire delivers authentic, hands-on training that helps users build confidence under pressure. Quickfire is easy to transport, making it simple to take fire safety education directly to those who need it most. The Quickfire system was designed to make training engaging, interactive, and entertaining, allowing fire safety training to be more meaningful and memorable. Now, your students will be more likely to retain the knowledge and skills they learn when faced with an emergency. Quickfire, trained virtually anywhere.